Located in the dead center of Tennessee is one of the largest, most majestic paddling waterfalls in the East United States called Burgess Falls. And today, we decided to kayak and paddleboard the much further route to the falls, starting from Cookeville Boat Dock for roughly 10 miles total out and back. So we're here at Cookeville Boat Ramp. Our goal is to kayak to Burgess Falls.
Let's go, baby, Burgess Falls. Here we are.
And we got our boy Trent as well. Ooh, the water feels nice. Got a long way to go, boys. Most people start at the much quicker route, being at the Cane Hollow Recreation Area, which is why here there weren't any paddlers in sight besides neighboring boats.
Yo, it is nice. So it's a little hot outside, so we're getting in the shade. It feels quite nice right now.
Chilling on the river. Chilling.
It was a clear, sunny day, and to be honest, the first 2 hours of paddling was scenic, but very repetitive. It wasn't until after passing the other kayak ramp till it started to get very good. So there's the closer kayak ramp to Burgess Falls. We took the longer route. Almost there. The voyage from here was a long, curvy, still river surrounded by lush trees. And within the water, cool, but dead trees. How you doing?
Chilling. Right through these trees.
I would love that. If I could attach an American flag to this paddleboard, I would. Yeah. Oh my gosh, bro! Oh! Ew, I'm like basically stuck in here. After a roughly 3-hour paddle, we deserved it. It was like a dream. Slowly appearing through the trees. Whoa. One of the most unique and breathtaking waterfalls I've ever seen. The Queen of Tennessee, Burgess Falls. Oh, that's a beautiful waterfall. That is a beautiful waterfall. The name Burgess Falls originated from Tom Burgess, who served in the Revolutionary War. He settled along this part of the Falling Water River during the 1810s. This area is situated near the eastern edge of the Cumberland Plateau. The 136-foot waterfall is formed by Falling Water River, which is a tributary of the Cumberland River.
No question. The best view of Burgess Falls is when you kayak to it. Otherwise, you don't get a full view of it. Amazing trip. It was a little exhausting, but well worth it. This trip, this waterfall, has been amazing so far. The whole journey to get here was a little strenuous, but it was super fun with the four of us. And then we're here now at the waterfall. Check this out. The view, the weather is perfect. This is the largest kayak or paddle up to waterfall on the eastern United States. And it's well worth it.
Yeah, this place is awesome.
Beautiful waterfall. Ooh, water feels good.
Overall, this is definitely one of the most beautiful waterfalls I've seen in my life. Being in the pool beneath Burgess Falls was a lot like a dream. But to be completely honest, in hindsight, unless you want an extreme workout, I recommend starting at Cane Hollow, because from there the trip isn't nearly as long and much more scenic. You're not missing out on too much starting from Cookeville Boat Ramp. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.